Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook. It's one of my favorite places to shop, and I know you guys are anxious to see what I did in Tucson, but I'm actually going back this Saturday, because we didn't get enough time. So I might post videos. I probably will post videos of things that I got already, but I'll be going back. I did a live on my Facebook group too, so if you aren't a member of that, you should go there, join, so you can see what some of the things we saw. So this, I guess I got 11 things at $2 each. I got some of these Indonesian like handmade inlay beads. Let's see if I can get some. Okay, so this one has some type of words on it. Unfortunately, I can't read it, but it's pretty. I love this one with the star. I love these. These are great size. Beautiful. I love the turquoise. Oh, we have some of those same beads I got from Pam, but these are frosted and they're silver. Little butterflies. These are so much fun. And I love that they're large holes, so those will fit on leather too. And I just made a bracelet to match my leather and African bead necklace that I made last week. It's so cute. Here, this has nothing to do with the unboxing, but here's the bracelet I made. I mean, I just made it 5 minutes ago. I didn't film it because I just wanted to get a bracelet done. I wore the necklace yesterday, and oh my gosh, it was lighter than I thought it would be, and it's just so comfortable, and it worked perfectly with the dress I wore. So here's the matching bracelet. Anyway, that's not about unboxing. So we've got this pretty flower. Oh, I love that. A tube. I actually saw a lot of these in Tucson too for around the same price. So if I needed more, I guess I could get them there. Beautiful. I love that there's some ball chain in there wrapped around. It's black background. I got 2 hearts. So I already have 1 heart, but the heart I have is much larger than these. So I think these would be really cute mixed with that somehow. Maybe made into a bracelet. So fun. And then another tube. These are big beads. I love that. So flashy. These kinds of beads have their own drawer too. I might need a second drawer. They're little drawers, those little acrylic ones that I got from the Dollar Tree. And oh, this is a bead. Can't remember what kind it is, but it looks like some kind of composite bead. It's very cool. Large focal. And then some more printed beads. These are the rainbow color that I love, with some stars and planets and some circles maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but it's really fun. Love those. Those are fun. Okay, so that was it for the $2 bag. What else is in here? Oh, some Grubby beads, and that's the name. That's the company name, Grubby. And unfortunately, the Grubby beads you can't put on YouTube. So I'll if you are interested in seeing which ones I got, I'll put them in my bead group, and just let me know there. These are cute little acrylic mermaids. I don't know if you guys can tell that that's a little curved mermaid. Hold on one second. Let me get them in my big fingers here. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, the little arms, and she's holding her hands in front of her mouth. And she's got her eyes closed. Oh, she's so cute. So much detail in that bead. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. And then I got these crystals. Oh yeah, these are those black purple crystals that I really love. I'm glad I realized that she had these. When those sales start going, you're claiming stuff really fast. So I'm glad I found these. This is one of my brand new favorite colors for crystals, and every time I see it, I snatch it up. So very cool. Again, I can't post the other 2 beads that I got, but that's okay. If you guys want to see them, let me know. And then this one says 2 at $1.50. Oh, okay, so 2 Z beads. Very neat. Let's see if I can get more light here. There, that's so much better. Yep, green and brown. Very pretty. I got some Z beads, and one of the reasons why I'm going back is because I didn't get everything that I wanted to get. I was going to get more, but then we ended up leaving a little bit early, so I'm excited. I'm so excited to be going back. And then I got 3 sets at $2.50 of some check glass beads. So these Greek key looking squares. So this one's yellow with like a copper. This one is turquoise or aqua with a copper. Beautiful. And this one is red with a turquoise. Love those. So pretty. Next, I don't really know what this is. This is $3. Are these? Oh, it's a strand. Okay. Looks like is it a chain? So these are some hematite beads. I love them. I love these. These are so cool. I love that they're ribbed. I love that. These are so neat. Next we have 2 at $3.50. Some check rondelles. I hadn't seen these anywhere before, and I thought they were really cool. I love how they're almost like faux drusies with that silver on the edge, and they're not perfect edges. I thought that was really neat. And then some little mushroom beads. I think these would be perfect to be used as buttons, maybe. I'm hoping I got them in another color. I'm thinking I didn't, but I'm hoping I did. Because I went to my friend Julie. Well, I went to Tucson with Julie, and then after we were finished, I went back to her house, and she showed me her Nina beads before I got to open my Nina beads. They were all just sitting in my house in a bag till today. And she had some mushrooms that I was, oh, here's some. These are teeny tiny. These were $3 with 20% off. These are teeny tiny. This would be cute on a necklace. Or I'm sorry, a pair of earrings. Darn, I don't think I got the really crazy color ones, so now I wish I had. This was $9. It's a little bit more than I pay for pendants most of the time, but I just thought it was so gorgeous. Look at that. So it's got some like impression jasper dyed, and then there's pyrite in there. It's so sparkly. I didn't know that there was pyrite in there when I bid on it, or binned it, I should say. This is amazing. I can see this going on the end of an, well, as just a pendant, or a lariat. This is gorgeous. I love that. Oh, it's so cute. So beautiful. Let's see, I have 2 more packages in here. All right, so this says 3 at 6. I don't remember this. Oh, I do kind of remember this. Not really. It's very big, though. It's a bead. A large hole bead, so I can use leather with that. That's awesome. It's beautiful. I don't remember what stone it is, though. It's gorgeous. It's huge. Oh yeah, I remember these 2. I can't remember what the name on this one was, but I just thought it was so cool. It's like a rainbow crystal. It's dyed, of course, but it's like a really nice cabochon. So it's a lot more vibrant in real life. Beautiful. And of course I couldn't pass this guy up. It's an inlay Zuni bear. Come on, I couldn't pass that up. And he's a bead. No way. Oh, is it half drilled? Oh, it must be half drilled. That's interesting. I didn't realize that. That's okay. But he probably won't get used anyway. I'm probably going to hoard this guy because he's so cute. Let's see. Last but not least, we have 12 different things in this bag. And each one in here was $1. We have some Swarovski. I think skulls, yeah, usually, like I said, even in my last video, I don't really buy skulls a lot, but I thought these were really cool. I thought they were really interesting. And oh, the hole goes that way through the side. It doesn't go through the top. That'll make it for a neat bracelet, I think. Very sparkly. Then some more Z beads. Some tubes. Very cool. I like the variety. Like this one's orange and this one's like leading into yellow. Very different. Very cool. Oh, two little turtles. And they're like cat's eye, green cat's eye. Very cute. Oh, one's chubby and one's skinny. It's so cute. Doesn't take much to amuse me, but I get a tickle. I got a tickle out of the chubby turtle. And then two more things. They're both check hearts, and these were awesome. So we have some pink check hearts. These are beautiful. They look like candy, and then a white one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my favorites from this are absolutely this pendant. So stunning in real life. Like, this is just fantastic. It's so gorgeous. These hearts, because they're so cute. I don't know if I can ever use those. These keys, these buttons. I'm so sad I didn't get the other color. I should have just done it. And of course, this guy. Those are my favorites. What was your favorite? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out Nina and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Are you hiding under your pillow again? She uses it like a little cave on the couch. So cute. Right, Goldie? This is the young lady who used to hide under the couch all the time. Now she hides under pillows. She has been knocked out all day because she went to the babysitters while I was in Tucson, and they had a bunch of dogs. Not that she played with them, but they still tired her out. She's very happy to be home.